The big political story of the day. 20 years after their bitter fallout, the Thackeray cousins of Mumbai, Uddhav and Raj, have reunited for next month's crucial Mumbai Municipal Corporation polls, where they face, many believe, an existential challenge as well as a final attempt to protect the so-called Thackeray brand. The alliance between the Sena, UBT and MNS was formally announced today. Uddhav Thackeray emphasized that the partnership is to save Maharashtra, while Raj Thackeray said that the state comes above personal feuds. But will it be enough to actually rein in the BJP juggernaut in Maharashtra? We'll have to wait till 16th of January when the results are out. But I want to leave you with that story which shows that in politics, there are no permanent friends or enemies, only permanent interests, especially when you come from the same family. Thanks for watching. Stay well, stay safe. Good night. Shubh Ratri. Merry Christmas. Have a great day tomorrow. Bye for now.
20 years after their power feud and public fallout, the Thackeray cousins have come together for the Maharashtra BMC polls, where they face an existential crisis. The Sena UBT chief and MNS Supremo came together as alliance partners in Mumbai, announcing that they will contest the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation elections together. The cousins first paid homage to late Balasaheb Thackeray, a moment their cadre cherished dearly. Uddhav asserted that the alliance is to save Maharashtra, while Raj Thackeray said that the state is above any personal feud.
आज आम्ही आमचं कर्तव्य म्हणून एकत्र आलेलो आहोत आणि मी मागेच म्हटलं एकत्र आलो आहोत ते एकत्र राहण्यासाठी.
कुठल्याही वादापेक्षा आणि भांडणापेक्षा महाराष्ट्र मोठा आहे आणि मला असं वाटतं तिथून त्या आज आम्ही एकत्र येण्याची सुरुवात त्या वाक्यापासून झाली की बरेच दिवस याची प्रतीक्षा महाराष्ट्र करत होता. ती शिवसेना आणि महाराष्ट्र नवनिर्माण सेनेची युती झाली हे आज आम्ही आपल्याला जाहीर करत आहोत.
The alliance is yet to finalize the seat sharing. Uddhav's Lieutenant Sanjay Raut says there will not be any problem as it is between members of the same family.
नंबर शेयरिंग जो होता है वो व्यापार होता है. यहाँ भाइयों में व्यापार नहीं है, ये फैमिली है, समझा? हम देख लेंगे हमको क्या करना है.
But Maharashtra Chief Minister Fadnavis has mocked the alliance and said that it will not have any impact.
हाइप तो ऐसे क्रिएट की जा रही है मानो रशिया और यूक्रेन ही साथ में आ गया और ज़ेलेंस्की और पुतिन बात कर रहे हैं, जिन्होंने तुष्टीकरण की नीति को अपनाकर एक प्रकार से अपना वोट बैंक खो दिया है. ऐसी दो पार्टियां साथ में आई है तो उनके साथ में आने से कौन सा फर्क पड़ने वाला है?
देखिए, ठाकरे ब्रांड पहले था, वो बालासाहब ठाकरे ब्रांड था. ये ब्रांड वगैरह ये चलने वाले नहीं है. अगर ये चल जाते तो ये नगर पालिका पंचायत की जो भी चुनाव हुए उसमें इतनी मार क्यों पड़ती है इनको?
The election season has immediately turned into hate season, with the MNS issuing dire warnings for North Indians.
अगर आप मराठी का अपमान करोगे, बटोगे तो पिटोगे और नहीं बटोगे तो भी पिटोगे.
The Mahavikas Aghadi, remember, had failed to impress voters in the Maharashtra local body polls, ending up on the losing side. Now, in the fight for the BMC, it's Thackerays with a weakened Pawar and no Congress against a resurgent Mahayuti. Can the Thackeray cousins stop the Mahayuti juggernaut in Mumbai? With Mustafa Sheikh and Abhijit Karande, Bureau Report, India Today.